I mean, cuz.
Oh, so you mean center, unusual features, shape and spread?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Center. The mean is the mode. The average of all numbers is the mean. The mode is the number that occurs the most. And the median is the middle number in a given set of data.
U for unusual features and strings for the data set.
Shape. Shape determines whether the graph is skewed to the right, skewed to the left, symmetrical.
Range, IQR, and standard deviation.
Hello. Now we are about to present to you a real world problem that uses statistics. Now, before we proceed, you have to learn this one time. Alright, so this is called the standardized score, also known as the Z-score, which is the raw score that deviates from the mean, and this is your equation as such. Now, basically, the skit we're about to present to you, it is the McDonald's of the people. And in this skit, basically, a man, he ordered a burger, and he sat in the McDonald's seat, and he was a little obese, so the chair broke, and now he's suing McDonald's for $1 million. Now, I would like to present to you Judge Towson. All rise for Judge Towson.
Alright, you may be seated. I will let the defense go first, and then McDonald's will go.
As you can see, my client is no longer obese. As you may see, my client is no longer obese. That is because of the mental capabilities. When he fell, everybody pointed and laughed. Statistics show that when 5 out of 4 people are there, at least one person will come to help him. No one came. He laid there on the ground. Everybody ran. Rest my case for now.
My name is William Franklin. I represent McDonald's Corp. And by the end of this case, I will have proved that McDonald's Corp is not responsible to Mr. Smith. Thank you.
Do you have any witnesses?
I have one. Esther F., will you please come in?
Oh, right hand. Okay. You swear to tell the truth, nothing but the truth, so all of that? Proceed.
Hello, Miss Esther. You was there and just said with McDonald's at the beginning point of the day. Now, did you not see my client fall after sitting in the chair? Did you not see everybody laughing at my client? Did it not make it funny? Did anybody come to
Objection. Leading the witness.
Overruled.
Was there any help from any of the crewmates or students? So you're telling me that everybody in this court case sat and laughed at my client as he fell to the
Objection.
ground.
Relevance.
Relevance? Well, his pride or mental capability would not have been hurt if somebody came to his help. He lied there on the ground. Everybody pointing and laughing at him. No one helped.
That's all you got.
That's all I got.
Okay.
Miss F. Where were you seated in the restaurant?
2 booths away from her.
Now, Mr. Smith, last I checked, you did not exceed the weight limit of the chair. So how did your chair collapse?
Actually, I did exceed the weight limit. I had Michael
in a second. That's all.
You may go back to the seat.
Okay.
Is there any more witnesses?
No more witnesses.
Would you like to put Mr. Smith on the stand?
I would. Mr. Smith, please sit down. No, Mr. Smith.
Bailiff. Right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Okay, then. Now, Mr. Smith, what is true? You were sitting in this chair.
That's correct.
Okay. Now, was it not true after you put your plate down and you sat to the seat? Stop. The chair collapsed under you.
That is also correct.
Did the chair not look like this?
Yes, it is.
Now, what I don't understand is how a chair could go two different shades of colors before while the man sitting down. I honestly believe that maybe the crew members switched the chairs of said the bar. Now, did you not know what chair you were sitting in?
Yes, I know what you're obviously.
Okay. How could you know what chair you sit in? Is there anything that reminds you of?
The color that you remind me of fruit juice.
And there are no brown fruities, are there? So why was this man sitting in a brown chair, knowing it's made of wood, not metal, not anything that can sustain his weight, but something that can easily collapse with under? All right, rest my case.
Mr. Smith, is it? Last I checked, you were 420 pounds, right? The average male is 185 pounds, right? So that's correct. Well, excuse me, Exhibit A over here. Can you turn around? I went along and did my own equation. I based it off of standard scores, which are Z-scores. This is the equation. Basically, I subtracted the mean, which is 185, from your weight. So that gives us 420 minus 185, and I divided it by 31, because the standard deviation of the average weight is 31. Here we have how much you weigh. 420 minus 185 divided by 31, and the Z-scores equal out to 7.6. Here, we have the company's shares. This was the chair you claimed you sat in. 450 minus 185 over 31.
Objection.
And
Are you calling my client a liar after he raised his hand?
overruled, the Z-score is 8.5. So looking at these numbers, if we were to compare them, we can see that the chair is more than able to sustain your weight. My next question. You said that the crew moved your chair, right?
That is what I believe.
What you believe, but you just said that you knew they moved it.
No, I do not.
That's what you believe?
Yes,
Objection. You're confusing the witness.
You can't object to that.
Objection to that.
So basically, you're calling McDonald's a company who does not act on morals.
Objection. You're leading the witness.
I'm not leading the witness.
You're leading them to a conclusion that they are.
Do you consider McDonald's to be a company that has no morals?
Did the judge not offer us to come to the bench?
Please come to the bench.
When I came up here, I said I would prove to the jury that you are lying. it is more than obvious that 8.5, 7.6, it's not adding up. Your Honor, I move that these charges be dismissed and that the case be dropped. Because the chair is more than able to sustain his weight. I mean, I do apologize for any anguish that you feel you have been put through, but obviously you're lying.
Your Honor.
I rest my case.
Alright, well, we are on the time schedule, so jury, do you have a decision? Okay, well, in the case, this whole case will be dropped. There will be no lawsuit against him.
Yeah, that's all, folks.